Hello everyone. This video it will be continuation of video 1 and 2. This is the third video lecture video series in the subject name of VQAR 2. So in this particular subject we have seen the pipe and system topic. In this particular topic, what are the various formulas and tricks which can be used in the problem solving. Okay, we almost finished the 5 questions. So we are going to see the 6th question. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 20 and 30 minutes respectively. If both the pipes are used together, then how long will it take it to fill the tank? So the part filled by A in 1 minute, 1 by 20, part filled by B in 1 minute, 1 by 30, part filled by A plus B in 1 minute, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30, which is equal to 1 by 12. So therefore both pipes can fill the tank in 12 minutes. So that is the formula which can be used here, 1 by x and 1 by y. So 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to, that is the two pipes problem. Okay, here the two pipes which can A and B can fill the tank in 20 and 30 minutes respectively. If the both pipes are used together, then how long it will be taken to fill the tank? Okay. So it will be combined together to fill the tank, which can be using only 12 minutes. It can be fill the overall tank. So let us see in this next question, 7th question. Two pipes A and B can fill the tank in 15 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. Both the pipes are opened together, but after 4 minutes, pipe A is turned off. What is the total time required to fill the tank? So here two pipes A and B can fill the tank in 15 minutes and 20 minutes. A is the 15 and B is the 20 minutes respectively. Both the pipes are opened together, but after 4 minutes, pipe A is turned off. So what is the total time required to fill the tank? So part filled in 4 minutes, 4 into 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20, which is equal to 7 divided by 15. So the remaining part is 1 minus 7 by 15, which is equal to 8 by 15. So part filled by B in 1 minute, 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 is 8 divided by 15. Therefore 1 is to x. So the x equal to 8 by 15 into 1 into 20. So 10 into 2 by 3 minutes, 10 minutes 40 seconds. So the tank will be full in 4 minutes plus 10 minutes plus 40 seconds. So 14 minutes 40 seconds. So this is the actually 7th question. So next is the 8th one. So here a larger tanker can be filled by two pipes A, B and in 60 minutes and 40 minutes respectively. How many minutes will take to fill the tanker from empty state if B is used for a half the time and A and B fill it together for the other half? So part filled by A plus B in 1 minute, which is equal to 1 by 60 plus 1 by 40, which is equal to 1 by 24. Suppose the tank is filled in x minutes, then x by 2 1 by to the multiplication of 1 by 24 plus 1 by 40 is equal to 1. So x by 2 to the multiplication with 1 by 15 equal to 1. So x equal to 30 minutes. So this is the overall large tanker which can be filled by the two pipes A and B in the 60 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes respectively. So the overall time it will be taken as 30 minutes. So this is the 8th question. So the last slide. So now we are going to see the overall important formula which can be used in the particular topic, pipes and system formula. So again we are seeing that it will be only revision. So you already know that pipe and system is the concept and tricks. The pipe is and system is both inlet and outlet value. Based upon that, how much time it will be taken to fill the particular tank. So based upon that, we just want to find out the answer. Okay. So here inlet and outlet. What is the inlet and outlet values? And here the important formula which can be used is the pipe can empty the tank in y hours, then the part emptied in 1 hour is 1 by y. If pipe can fill the tanks in X hours and another pipe can empty the full tank in Y hours, then Y is greater than X. So then opening both the pipes, then net pot it will be filled in 1 hour is 1 minus X, 1 divided by X minus 1 by Y. So if the pipe can fill the tank X hours and another pipe can empty the full tank in Y hours where X greater than Y, then opening both the pipes, then the net pot emptied in 1 hour 1 by Y minus 1 by X. So these are the important formula, and the sum which is, it will be 8 questions we are dealing that. Okay, so we will see in the next topic in another video. Thank you.